Yeah, I'm not so specific about who I want to work with. As long as it's a good script and I like the story, I like my part, I'll do it.
So next question is by Karan. Disha, you're my favorite actress. I like you in your Cadbury ad. How was your experience in the movie?
It was amazing, very special. My first film, so of course, I'm very excited for the film.
Naresh Batra says he loves your dance.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Naresh.
Disha, tell us something about the movie. How was the whole experience? How were your co-actors?
The whole experience was amazing. It's a different sort of story, different kind of genre. It's a biopic, and everybody has been very nice and sweet to me. I never realized or never felt like it's my first film, and every moment for me is very special. So I enjoyed the whole journey, and I hope you like it too.
So Ishan Patel asks, which scene was the toughest for you to act in your new upcoming movie, MS Dhoni?
I don't remember. I think I guess the song, because if you have seen Kaun Tujhe, it was the first time when I actually met Sushant, and then it's so awkward, of course, for both of us to like meeting first time. Hi, I'm Disha, I'm Sushant, and we have to shoot a romantic song. You have to look into each other's eyes. So I think that was awkward for the first few minutes, but then.
Kaushal Sanjeeva asked which is your favorite song from MS Dhoni?
Hi Kaushal, my favorite song would be I like Jab Tak, I like Phir Kabhi. Yeah.
And someone asked that how excited are you 4 days to go?
I'm so excited and I'm very blank right now. I actually don't know, like I know I have to be nervous, I should be, I don't know, but just 1 second. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very excited.
Rajesh Boga says, can we expect second movie in Tollywood industry?
Yeah, of course. If I get a good story, I get a good script, I get a good part, I'll do it.
Sahil Rajgupta says, just say my name.
Hi Sahil Rajgupta.
Milkeet Vadra says, who is your favorite actor?
Hi Milkeet Vadra. My favorite actor would be I like Shah Rukh Khan, and amongst females I like Priyanka Chopra.
Darshan says, which Khan would you love to act with for your
All of
upcoming
them.
movies?
All of them. I don't have any.
Pallav Shah says he's excited to watch your movie.
Thank you so much, Pallav. I hope you like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Darshit Kakera says, one superpower which you would want to have and one superhero who you really like.
Superpower would be flying, and superhero would be Hulk. If he's a superhero, I think he is.
Of course he is.
Sandeep Kumar says, I love you more than dairy milk.
Thank you, Sandeep. That's a compliment.
Ishan Karia says, did you always want to pursue your dream for coming in the movie industry, or you wanted to be something else?
Amirok says, your face looks like Shraddha Kapoor.
Thank you so much. She's so pretty. Who was? Sorry.
This is Ishan Karia.
Yeah, Nishant. So no, I wanted to be an Air Force pilot, and I think just destiny got me here, and I think I got the opportunity. I grabbed it. I didn't think so much.
Umesh Hussain says, do you like Pakistani singers?
I love Atif Aslam is my favorite.
Yeah. Someone also asked some question, like, are you working in Hollywood?
I'm doing an international film with Jackie Chan, so yeah, if you say Hollywood.
Okay. Yeah. Kuldeep Solanki said, Disha, have you ever visited Gujarat?
Hi Kuldeep. Yeah, I've been there once. Ahmedabad. It's beautiful.
So since Dhoni is like a biopic, so Shiva Karthik asked, what was your experience in playing a real life character in a movie and something which is not a fiction? Was it difficult to play someone who existed in the real?
Is it on? Yeah, so I wouldn't say it was very difficult. I had Neeraj sir with me and he really guided me throughout the whole filming journey, and yeah, we got the part really well and we knew how she was, and yeah, I added my touch to it. They're reading.
Disha, how was Rajasthan? How was all the location to shoot wherever you shot?
Acha, the locations for what?
The shoot of the movie. No, for Dhoni.
I went to Delhi, I went to Bengal, Kolkata, and Mumbai. So yeah, it was amazing. I think they actually traveled a lot for the whole film because they were actually in the real places where Dhoni was. So yeah, I think it was too much stress for them, but at the same time they enjoyed.
Gaurav Sachin says, who's your favorite, Sachin or Dhoni?
Both.
Oh.
I used to like Sachin, now I like Dhoni.
Prince Raj Roy says, how did you manage to do those fast footsteps in Befikre?
Hi Prince, practice. I think I practice more than Tiger, so yeah.
Anish Kukreja says, what is your important thing in life?
Anish,
Yeah.
important thing in life, happiness.
Oh,
Anything that makes you happy.
Manmay Mehta says, I love your smile and your dance too. Want to see you in a dance movie like ABCD. When will that happen?
Hi Manmay, even I'm waiting for that. I hope somebody takes me for that. Thank you so much for liking my dance.
Subhan Udupi says his name.
Hi Subhan Udupi.
Yeah. Arun Bihar says you are looking so cute.
Thank you Arun. I can't see you but I'm sure you're looking cute too.
Saurabh Jaiswal says, can you blink your eye again?
Blink like this.
Buku says, what made you so beautiful?
My mother and father genetics, I think. Just going through the questions. Nice.
Bansika Mishra says, love you Disha, you're my favorite actress.
Thank you Bansika, I love you too.
Gaurav Agarwal says, who is your favorite actress in Bollywood?
Actress?
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra, Gaurav.
You're quite inspired by her.
Yeah, lot.
Ritesh Goyal says, please say my name.
Ritesh Goyal. Hi Ritesh Goyal.
Shubham Rai says, love your smile.
Thank you so much, Shubham. Big team.
How is the experience working with Neeraj Pandey?
So good. He looks scary. Like you would feel scared because he's a very strong personality and he's very smart. But he's very kind and he's very smart. He knows what exactly he wants and he'll make you work hard. So he's amazing. I love him.
Wasim asks, which is your favorite song from the movie?
I like Jab Tak. That's my favorite. And Confuture, of course.
Rajshri Prabhu says your first movie. Rajshri Prabhu says, which is your first movie?
Which is my first film.
Yeah.
Hi Rajshri. My first film was a Telugu film called Loafer. This is my first debut in Bollywood.
Vishesh Goswami says, I love your silky hairs.
Thank you for my silky hair.
Aman Gonka says, please, Papa, Yuvraj, how challenging? Yuvraj says, how challenging was playing the role of Priyanka Jha?
Wasn't so challenging. As I said, my director was very smart. He knew what he wanted from me and he got that thing out. I can dance though, but I can't sing. I'm really bad. You don't want to see me singing. You guys can actually send me videos where you guys are singing. I would love that.
So guys, please do send her of your singing of your Kaun Tujhe or any other song from Dhoni.
That you like from Dhoni.
And please tag her on her Instagram account, and she would love to go through all the videos and songs you send her.
Aniket says you look gorgeous.
Thank you, Aniket.
Yash Agarwal says hi. How was your bike ride with Sushant?
I wasn't in the bike. Kiara was in the bike.
Bhavik Malik says, Disha, where do you belong from?
I'm from Uttarakhand, but my family lives in Bareilly. And I'm living in Mumbai now.
Noman Qureshi says, what's your favorite dance style, Disha?
Hip hop. No, I'm sorry if I said your name wrong.
Ritesh says, who's your favorite Hollywood actor?
Actor, Hollywood, Will Smith. I like Angelina. Yeah.
Sujay Chaurasi says, come to IIT for Mood Indigo. Something.
Oh, okay, cool.
Rohit Sharma says, hi, you look gorgeous.
Hi Rohit, thank you.
Gunjan Jyoti says, please come to North India.
Yeah, I'm actually from North India.
Northeast India.
Oh, Northeast, I would love to come. It's beautiful.
Disha, all your fans just want you to keep smiling because they're loving it when you're smiling. So yes, keep that grin on.
Grin on.
So Pratik Das says, you're so pretty, I started buying Cadbury again because of you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. I hope you like the taste of chocolate though.
Who doesn't like chocolate?
Vijay says you look like Madhuri.
Oh my god, that's the biggest compliment of me.
Fani
I'm
Kiran,
sinking.
Fani
Thank you.
Kiran says, which is your dream role?
Superwoman, Wonder Woman, whatever, like any superhero.